What if speaking the truth made powerful people want you dead? Would you still speak? Dear friends, this is the incredible story of Saint John of Sahagun. Born in Spain, John was smart, successful, and respected. By the age of 20, he already held important church positions. He had influence, he had security, and he had a very promising future. But then he did something unexpected. He gave much of it away. Why? Because he believed serving God was more important than status. Have you ever had to choose between what is easy and what is right? Do let us know your thoughts in the comments. Well, dear friends, John chose what was right. After years of study, he became one of the most famous preachers in Spain. People packed churches to hear him speak, not because he entertained them, but because he told the truth, even when the truth hurt. Stories spread that he worked miracles. Some even believed that he could read people's soul. But his greatest gift was courage. He publicly challenged corruption, injustice, and immoral behavior. Powerful people became angry. Several tried to kill him. Yet he refused to be silent. Finally, according to tradition, he was poisoned by a woman whose sinful relationship he had persuaded a man to leave. On June 11th, he died, but his message lived on. In 1690, he was declared a saint. Today, Saint John of Sahagun reminds us the truth may cost you comfort, but it will never cost you your dignity. Follow us and subscribe for more amazing saint stories in under 2 minutes.